6. Come on. Yep. What is up, BeFitNow fam? This is Coach Amp with over 20 years of personal training experience. Okay guys, now today we have an upper body circuit. Guys, I want you to understand, every workout that you do doesn't have to be killer. Now, sometimes we need to get in the gym and just get some blood flowing. Sometimes you only have about 15, 20, 30 minutes, but we still need to get the job done. We're gonna show you a great example of that. Not a lot of time, but still effective. Okay guys, now today the movements that we are gonna use to achieve our objective. We're gonna start the day off with the dip. We're gonna move on to the cable fly. Next we have assisted pull-ups, and we're gonna finish off strong with some Arnold presses for the shoulders, all right? Stay tuned. All right, guys, it is show time, all right? We're about to get on with our upper body circuit, starting out with the dip for 15 reps. Every exercise is gonna be for 15 repetitions. Like I said before, we're trying to get that blood flowing. We're not trying to break the muscle down so much, but we're trying to get that mind-muscle connection and get that blood flowing. Let's go. All right, baby, let's get it. All right, guys, go ahead and tip forward just a little bit more for me. There we go. All right, guys, now he's leaning forward, okay? That slight lean forward is gonna make sure that we involve the pecs, all right? Of course, those shoulders are engaging, and of course, those triceps are working very hard to keep him moving, okay? That's why we call this the compound movement for the upper body, all right? All right, next, we're transitioning to our assisted pull-up, okay? Now, the reason why we're doing the assisted pull-up is because we want to focus on the back. We don't want our athlete thinking about just muscling himself up right now. No, I want him to thinking about his chest going towards the ceiling and pulling those shoulder blades back as he drives up, okay? Check him out. There we go. Let's get it, baby. 2, that's it, that's it. And check out the stretch at the bottom. All right, all right. We always want to keep that tension, but at the same time, stay in control as you come to the bottom. Allow the lats to stretch and drive back on up to the top. Yep. Another thing, check out the false grip. All right, now, by having the false grip, and we are using straps, but by having the false grip, we are utilizing the biceps, but because we're using the false grip, we get to make sure that we have a good balance between using the back muscles and the biceps, all right? Make sense? I know it does. All right, let's get it. Cable flies. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now here, we get to take the triceps out of the movement, isolate the chest, all right? And yeah, we're gonna get some anterior delt here, but this is for the chest primarily, okay? That's it. Yes, sir. Yep, yep. Chest out, chest out, chest out. Squeeze. That's it. Yes, sir. I love it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uh-huh. Yep. Yep. Good stretch, good stretch, good stretch. Yep. Squeeze. That's it. That's it. That's it. All right, all right, all right. Now, we're going to our Arnold presses for the shoulders. Here we go. Let's rock, let's rock. Yep, boom. Starting at the bottom, anterior delt, midway, mid delt, and we get that full total shoulder contraction at the very top. Full range of motion. That's it, baby. That's it. Boom. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Uh-huh. And check out the nice and smooth motion. No jerking at all. Nice and smooth from top to bottom and bottom to top. I love it. Yes, sir. Come on. Yes, sir. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. I love it. Yes, sir. Uh-huh. Come on with it. Yes, sir. And that's round 1, baby. All right, guys, round 2. All right, let's get it. Let's go, let's go. Yep. Drive it, baby. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Don't come all the way up to the very top. That's it. Constant tension. Yep. From each point, guys, from the very bottom, it's a transference of stress. From the very bottom, the triceps got to activate more. Chest, shoulders. All right? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Pull up, baby. So, guys, check this out. What do you get when you buy any piece of strength equipment from BeFitNow? All right, not only are you gonna get the best workout equipment on the market, all right, we have a lifetime warranty on all parts, all right? We have installation options. You see how big this thing is? Guess what? We're gonna ship it to you for free. So what are you waiting for, all right? Let's go ahead and be fit now. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yes, sir. Come on. Yep. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Squeeze. Squeeze. Keep your chest out for me. Squeeze. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yes, sir. I love it. I love it. There you go. Come on. Squeeze. Yep. Come on. Guys, if you're wondering what I'm looking for as I'm telling him to squeeze, I'm looking for the rise and the fall of the chest. The closer the bicep gets to the pec, the chest should rise, all right? Let's rock. Slightly heavier, but that's all right. Strong dude. Let's go. 1, come on, baby. Let's go. 2, yes, sir. Come on. 3, come on with it. 4, that's it, that's it. 5, come on. 6, come on. 7, keep your count. So check this out. Even at the bottom of this movement, and thank you, Arnold. First of all, at the bottom, triceps gotta engage, all right? So we're trying to make sure we maximize the muscles that we use. So I just want you to understand that, yeah, we are using a little bit more tricep with the Arnold presses versus if we were just going straight up and down, all right? Round 3, time to finish strong, all right? We just gonna burn straight through these and get it in, baby. Let's go. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Now, guys, you've seen through various sets that we've done, you can see where at different times the pace was different, the range of motion was a little bit different. It's all about feel, all right? Let's get it. Everything has its place. Remember that. Let's get it, baby. Yep. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. Yes, sir. Come on. 2. Yes, sir. 3. 4. 5. Yeah. There we go. Come on. Yep. Come on. Yep. Got a little bit more of a supinated grip, guys. All right. That's gonna give us a little bit more bicep. Yep. Let's get it. Yep. Flex and squeeze that chest, baby. Let's get it. 1, that's it. 2, come on. 3, yes, sir. 4, come on. 5, yep, come on. 6, I love it. 7, yes, sir. 8, 9, yep. 10, 11, yep. 12, 13, come on with it. 14, and 15. Yes, sir. Yep. Let's go. Yep. Let's get it. Let's get it. Guys, listen. If you like workouts like this, listen. First of all, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me so that you can get every video that we put out. All right? Go ahead and hit that like button for us, all right? All right? We know you like it, all right? We're gonna keep pumping these videos out for you. If there's anything that you wanna see that you haven't seen from us, comment and we'll get it out to you, okay? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I love it. Nice flowing motion. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. All right. Thank you for watching. We work hard to make the best content we can. Please like and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on for new updates and leave comments with any questions and concerns or just show your support. Peace.